say we're gonna go to the compound again every weekend. It's an annual thing. We do it, but we're going drifting. Me, my dad, Max Chun, and maybe one or two other people. I don't think anybody else is gonna show up, but so it's just gonna make the three of us. So, see you guys out there. First lap, Max behind me. Hopefully you can see him in the mirror. I'm sitting a little low. Are you good? I don't care though. Let it blow up. Oh well, it's good. You're really good on me on the sweeper. Yeah. You ready to go? Hell yeah. Reset. We're good, let's go. I broke my trans. Yay. Let's see if it'll even make it to the pits. Nope. And we're done for today. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. I destroyed my trans, so that's it for today. On to the next one. Woohoo.
See me riding, I be whipping in the photo. Stay 100 for my brothers, that's a motto. We stay low key doing shit that you don't know. If that's your bitch, why she sending all these photos?